Well, here I am in Little Bedwyn on the 5th of November. It's about 6:30 p.m. and there's probably about 30 people here, and they're all situated under some Christmas lights to the left of the bonfire. It's definitely very dark here, too dark for a camera. Let's try and zoom in on the bonfire. The bonfire's been going a few minutes now. I just had, oh that's not a bad view now. So you can't see the people, but there's lots of children there, and there's a guy near me who's I think left off one of the rockets. Anyway, she's burning nicely. 5th of November, 6:30.